Drinking water is one of the simplest yet most essential habits for maintaining a healthy life. Water is vital for nearly every function in the human body, starting from regulating temperature to facilitating digestion.
Oh.
One of the primary benefits of drinking water is that it helps maintain the balance of bodily fluids. Our bodies are composed of about 60% water. And these fluids are involved in vital functions like digestion, sorption, circulation, saliva creation, nutrient transportation, and maintenance of body temperature. When we drink enough water, we ensure these functions operate smoothly. Water also helps in energizing muscles. During exercise or even regular activity, muscle cells need adequate fluids to function properly. And dehydration can result in muscle fatigue. Drinking water before, during, and after physical activity keeps energy levels stable. Water is also crucial for healthy skin. When the body is properly hydrated, the skin retains elasticity, looks plumper, and appears healthier overall. Though not a miracle cure for skin issues, hydration improves the overall appearance of the skin. Moreover, water aids in weight loss. Often, our bodies mistake thirst for hunger. Drinking a glass of water before meals can reduce appetite, help prevent overeating, and even enhance metabolism. Another significant benefit is the role water plays in flushing out toxins from the body. Through sweat, urine, and bowel movements, the body removes waste, and water facilitates this process efficiently. It also helps prevent kidney stones and urinary tract infections by diluting salts and minerals that cause these conditions. Proper hydration supports kidney function, allowing the organs to filter waste effectively. Water supports cardiovascular health by maintaining proper blood volume and viscosity, reducing the strain on the heart. A well-hydrated body also benefits the digestive system. Water aids in breaking down food and absorbing nutrients, and it helps prevent constipation by softening stools and promoting regular bowel movements. Hydration is important for cognitive function as well. Dehydration can lead to concentration issues, memory problems, and mood swings. Staying hydrated can improve alertness, focus, and overall mental clarity. It is also essential for regulating body temperature. When we are overheated, water is released through sweat, helping cool the body down. Another key benefit of water is joint lubrication. Synovial fluid, which cushions joints, is largely made of water. Hydration reduces friction between joints and lowers the risk of injuries or pain. Furthermore, water helps transport oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. Blood, which carries these essentials, is over 90% water. When you're hydrated, your circulation improves, ensuring that every cell gets the nutrients it needs. Drinking enough water can even help in reducing the frequency and severity of headaches, as dehydration is a common cause. People who suffer from migraines often report fewer headaches when they maintain consistent hydration. In addition, staying hydrated helps improve physical performance. Whether you're walking, running, or lifting weights, muscles need water to function properly. Dehydration can lead to early fatigue, dizziness, and decreased endurance. Drinking water also supports a healthy metabolism. All cellular activities, including those involved in burning calories, require water to function efficiently. Water is also a natural detoxifier. Unlike sugary drinks or sodas, which can add toxins, water helps the body cleanse itself. Water promotes better mood. Studies have shown that people who drink more water tend to be happier and less prone to anxiety and stress. This could be due to improved physical well-being and enhanced brain function. Water is calorie-free and a great alternative to high-calorie beverages. Choosing water over soda or juice can significantly reduce daily calorie intake and support weight management goals. Water is also essential during illness. When you're sick, especially with fever, diarrhea, or vomiting, the body loses fluids rapidly. Drinking water helps replenish these losses and supports recovery. Moreover, staying hydrated improves the immune system. A well-hydrated body can circulate white blood cells more efficiently, enabling a faster response to infections. Drinking water helps prevent bad breath. Saliva production requires water, and saliva helps cleanse the mouth of food particles and bacteria. Without enough water, the mouth becomes dry, and bad breath can occur. Water also contributes to healthy hair. Dehydration can make hair brittle and weak, while proper hydration strengthens hair strands and promotes growth. Hydration supports liver function too. The liver works hard to detoxify the body, and water assists in this crucial role. Drinking water can also help in managing blood pressure. When the body is dehydrated, blood volume decreases, causing blood pressure to drop, which can lead to dizziness or fainting. Drinking enough water ensures stable blood pressure levels. For people with diabetes, water helps regulate blood sugar levels. When blood sugar is high, the body tries to flush out excess sugar through urine, increasing the need for water. Proper hydration supports this natural balance. Water is also important for pregnant women, as it helps form the placenta and amniotic fluid, supporting the growth and development of the baby. Similarly, for breastfeeding mothers, water supports milk production and overall energy. In children, water is crucial for development. Hydrated children can experience fatigue, poor concentration, and even behavioral issues. Water improves sleep quality as well. Hydration helps the body relax and regulate hormonal balance, which contributes to better sleep. Water also helps reduce the risk of certain cancers, such as bladder and colon cancer, by flushing out toxins that could otherwise accumulate. Drinking water with lemon in the morning can stimulate digestion, provide vitamin C, and kickstart metabolism. Water also promotes dental health. Heated water strengthens tooth enamel and helps prevent cavities. Teas. For athletes, water is essential to maintain endurance and prevent cramps. In hot climates, water is crucial to prevent heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Even mild dehydration can reduce performance and alertness. Water is inexpensive and easily accessible in most places, making it one of the best health tools available. Staying hydrated can also reduce sugar cravings, which are sometimes just signals of thirst. Drinking water improves nutrient absorption from food and supplements. It keeps mucous membranes moist, aiding in respiratory health. Water supports lymphatic function, helping remove cellular waste. It's essential for enzyme function and cellular energy production. Hydration impacts hormone transport and activation. Water keeps the eyes moist and comfortable, reducing strain and dryness. It improves skin detoxification through sweat. Crated skin heals faster from wounds or acne. Water maintains the elasticity of blood vessels, reducing strain on the heart. It supports balanced electrolytes and pH levels. Hydration reduces inflammation in tissues. Water prevents bloating and improves gut health. It's essential for prenatal health, aiding in nutrient transport